Hi, my name is Susan Rinaldo Gallo, and I'm a member of the AARC Board of Directors. I was asked to speak a little bit, introduce myself to you. Like I said, I'm a member of the Board of Directors. I've been in respiratory care for about 40 years. I work at Duke University Hospital, which I have worked here most of my career. I started out as department education director and then moved on to be the system administrator for the information system for respiratory care. And then 4 years ago, I became an EPIC training specialist where I train nurses, respiratory therapists, nurse assistants, and other disciplines how to use EPIC software. I started volunteering for the AARC, for our profession, pretty much from the very beginning in my career. The first thing I did at the state level was I created a disputable competition. And that was a lot of fun. And then from there on, I just started volunteering for committees, served on the state board of directors, did some officers. I became an officer of the state board of directors, and then I was a president, I was a delegate, and eventually I ran for board of directors of the AARC, in which I've served numbers of committees and offices on the board of directors. My message to you is just to go out and volunteer in any way possible. It will open your eyes. It'll give you a whole new perspective on respiratory care to work in groups outside of your work environment. And you'll learn a lot. You'll become a better therapist for it. So the way to do that, of course, is to start volunteering. Volunteer yourself at the state society for committees and so forth, or the National Society. You can volunteer for committee work on that society. You really should also, if you haven't done so yet, is attend a state or a national meeting. It'll, like I said, it'll be eye-opening, give you a whole new perspective on your profession, and it'll help you to be a better therapist. So you may want to just volunteer on a local level, do asthma camps, COPD day where you educate patients, or do some screening, PFT screenings. Just become active outside of work in your profession. There's also another group that you can join that'll help you, and that's called AARC Connect. AARC Connect is a free service. You get there through aarc.org. There's many Connect groups. There will be pediatrics, say, NBRC Prep Connect group, numerous groups that you can join, and you can network with therapists throughout the country. It's a good idea. So that's my message for today. Please volunteer and help your profession. Thank you very much.